Welcome to OCTIV8, the one and only online course for creative people who desire to parlay soft skills learned in the liberal arts, adapt them into the business world to gain financial stability, while accelerating their creative career without having to go back to college to earn a business or finance degree. Students will identify their soft skills and the top soft skills in demand by businesses today, examine their adaptability strengths and the 7 types creative people naturally possess, learn how to transfer their soft skills and adaptability strengths successfully to business, study the top 10 benefits and advantages of a corporate job while mastering how to apply for a corporate position, gain tips on how to write an effective resume and have a successful interview, manage how to build a creative career while having a corporate job, accelerate their artistic vision by accessing hidden resources to repurpose their artistic identity and effectiveness, understand how to create multiple income streams while managing a portfolio career. Each week roughly covers 2 hours of audiovisual content with supplemental exercises and knowledge assessments. After 6 weeks of training, the student will have completed their OCTIV8 formula. Adjunct faculty joining OCTIV8 are authorities in such areas of expertise as cognitive psychology. Dr. Jay Klusky, cognitive psychologist, educator, author, who received his PhD from UCLA, teaches students mindset, how to transition their artistic degree into the field of business, how to develop better relationships to improve your career, self-confidence, and enriching your career goals. Health insurance. Giancarlo Miazzo, CFO and consultant for both private and public companies in the health sector, Mr. Miazzo discusses the ABCs of how to choose the right health insurance policy for graduates securing their first job with a company. Portfolio Career Management. Bill Ellemeyer, a veteran transitional coach and former Navy intelligence officer with over 35 years of experience, Bill Ellemeyer teaches students how to build a portfolio career. In addition, Bill, who appears several times throughout the course, will train students how to obtain their ideal work lifestyle and how to build a lifelong, world-class network. Human Resources. Mark Ernst, managing principal at Ernst Enterprises and an expert at human resources, will teach students how to incorporate soft skill and creative talents into your resume for a more powerful and effective presentation. Business Trends. Dennis Kushner, an executive with finance, accountant, operations, and sales expertise, and former Marine and cybersecurity agent for the FBI, teaches students what sources recommended to use to study business trends, and those industries prospering as a result of COVID-19. Wealth management experts will teach students effective tips on how to properly save money right out of college and demystify the 401k plan. Executive recruiters who will demonstrate how important soft skills are for job placement, inside tips on the interview process. Well, I train musicians in how to accelerate their musical career with over 35 years' experience as a composer in both theater and film and TV, performing, conducting, self-publishing, and business entrepreneurship. These adjunct faculty and others provide students an enormous range of expertise to help jumpstart their career with a guiding formula that will provide them both a path and a system to gain financial stability, eliminate debt, accelerate their career, and attain life balance immediately after college without having to go back to school to earn a degree in finance or business. Imagine the benefits you will have by taking this course from the privacy of your own home. Lower cost and lower debt, career advancement, and more opportunities. Everything at your disposal, including contact with leading experts in music, entrepreneurship, business and finance, health insurance, psychology, networking, wealth management, human resources, recruiters, and have full access to them through our social media group with dozens of creative people just like you who have successfully transitioned their creative skills into other fields. Dozens of creative people who continue to practice their love of the arts, but with a holistic vision customized to their unique aim and criteria for success. All from the comfort of your own home. Join me and other creative artists on my one-to-many Zoom call once per week so there are no concerns about procrastination because I'll be with you every step of the way. It has been an absolute joy for me and my friends to bring you OCTIV8, a transformative online coaching system helping creative people like you who actually want to value your creative core skills by using them in the world of industry to secure your financial future while accelerating your artistic vision. Thank you for listening. We hope to have you as part of our training program.